Say with Charlie.
Woof.
Sit.
Woof. I have this little sister Lola.
Good doggy.
She is small and very funny.
Walkies. Come on, Charlie, walkies.
At the moment, Lola really wants to have a dog. But Mom and Dad says she can't, because our flat is too small,
Walkies.
and Lola is too young to look after one.
Come on, Charlie, let's go for a walk. There.
My cereal bowl is now a dog bowl,
Dog, how sweet.
and she has made me a dog bed.
Good boy.
Lola just loves dogs. A lot. So one day Dad took us to the park. There was me and my friend Marv, Lola and her friend Lotta, and Sizzles.
Dog, look at Sizzle.
Sizzles is Marv's dog. Lola loves Sizzles,
Dog, look at him.
and so does Lola's best friend Lotta.
I love Sizzles.
You ask.
No, you ask. Go on, ask.
Huh?
Marv, can't we look after Sizzles?
Lola, do you know about dogs?
Yes, I do. Everything.
So do I.
We know that Sizzles is a extremely very clever dog.
What about tricks?
Yes, we know he can do very good tricks.
If he wanted, he could roll over.
And jump over things. And walk on two legs, and dance.
And speak English.
Definitely, I think. Lotta, do you know, I think Sizzles can do really anything.
Wow.
Anything.
Wow.
Sizzles is the cleverest dog ever. Anywhere.
In the whole, wide, world.
Yeah, hey, watch this. Sizzles sit. Sizzles, Sizzles, sit. Sizzles, sit. Sit, sit, sit.
Sizzles, sit!
We could just play one game, Marv.
But who's gonna look after Sizzles?
Me.
Oh, please.
Me. First.
Not sure.
It is only for a little while. He'll be okay with Lola and Lotta.
Me.
Well, I'm pretty sure he will.
Okay, but you do know there are lots of rules, if you want to look after Sizzles. No chocolates. Or cakes. And no sweets of any kind. Completely no digging. And no splashing in puddles. No chasing birds. And no taking him off the lead. So you will take extra special care of Sizzles, won't you?
We will, Marv.
No, we won't.
I mean, we won't, Marv.
Yes, we will.
You won't take your eyes off him, for one single second.
Not a second.
Do you honestly promise to look after my dog?
Honestly, we do promise. Honestly, to look after your dog.
Honestly and promisely, we do.
Dad, come watch me. Over here. Marv, pass it to me. Dad, over here. Look. Goal. Lola.
Hi, Charlie.
Hello.
Dogs must be stroked and patted.
To tell them, we are their friends.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Playing. Well, playing is what makes dogs happy.
And grooming makes dogs feel pretty.
Dogs must go outside and must walk.
Otherwise, what is the point of their legs?
He's having fun.
Look. He's smiling.
Lotta, I don't really think you know all about dogs like me.
Lola, I really do know everything about dogs.
But you see, Lotta, you must hold the lead like this. See?
Oh no, Lola, you really must do it like this.
But Lotta, I'm in charge.
So am I.
And we're both in charge. I think that Mark said that I was a little bit more in charge than you.
My turn.
My turn.
My turn.
I will just have one more turn, and then it's your turn. Whoops.
Oh. No.
Sizzles.
Sizzles. Where are you?
Here, Sizzles.
Here, Sizzles.
Sizzles, where are you?
Sizzles, where are you? Sizzles. Sizzles, Sizzles. Here, Sizzles, Sizzles.
Here, boy. Here, boy. Sizzles.
Sizzles, where are you?
Do you think we have lost him forever?
I think he was sad, actually.
Looks. Lotta, looks. Sizzles.
Sizzles.
Oh, no. There are two Sizzleses.
No, Lola. There are two dogs, only one is Sizzles.
But which one?
I don't know.
The clever one. Sizzles can do anything, remember?
Yes, Sizzles can do anything.
Yes. Sizzles can sit. Sit.
Sit, sit, sit.
Sit.
Sit, sit, sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Will you sit?
1-0. 1-0.
That was a great game, wasn't it, Marv?
Please sit.
I think we've broken our promise to look after Sizzles.
Sit down. Sizzles.
Sit.
Oh no.
Hey Lola. Hey Lotta.
Come on you two, Dad says it's time to go.
Hello Sizzles, how are you doing? Did you miss me?
Oh dear.
Lola,
We had Sizzles and we were looking after him
And he sort of went for a walk.
without his lad. And then, we couldn't see him anymore. And then we saw him, but he wasn't one. It was two Sizzleses.
2 Sizzles.
And so I'm not sure that Sizzles is Sizzles now.
come here. Look here. Dog number 144. Sizzles. Owner, Marvlo. 5A Crocodile Street.
Yeah, that's his dog tag. It's got his name and address on it in case he gets lost. All dogs have them.
We knew that actually, Marv. Yes, all dogs.
Just in case they get lost.
Yeah, that's why. It's just in case they get lost. Now come on, Dad's waiting.
Phew.
But Sizzles would never get lost. He can do anything.
Yes he can, because he's clever.
Yes, he can absolutely do anything.
I told you he was clever.
Come on Sizzles, we're going home.